do our search, and there's our search. It first tells us this is a search only. It gives us who this was prepared for. Now the reason this shows up is because the test account we're using is attached to this client name in our system. It tells us that the search date is July 29th and it was printed and displayed here on July 29th. This search number is a number that is in our financial system. So if there's ever an issue with a certificate, a question on a certificate or a search, that's the number you want to let us know. It tells us what the roll number of the property is, and this is where your file number would go. A little bit lower here, it lets us know about the legal description. It also gives us the municipal address, if the municipal address is available. It also gives us the title, certificate number that we have currently in our system, the last time the property was levied, and the last amount that it was levied. Now this shows $0 because this property is exempt from taxes, but it is assessable. That's why the levy amount shows 0. So it shows us here all the balance information, and the balance information is 0. The pending transactions will show how much has been processed through our front till in the current day and until the batch has actually been posted and the deposit made. So if there was a current balance of $1,000 and someone came in today to pay $1,000, you would see $1,000 pending and then a balance still of $1,000. The balance will change once we have posted these transactions in our system, and that usually happens about 3 o'clock every afternoon. The additional information is the information that we see on our tax certificates as well, except some of the wording is changed a little bit to let everybody know this is a search, not a certificate. If the property had an auto pay, the auto pay would show up here as well as another bullet. It would say the auto pay is paid on the 15th of the month and the amount is, let's say, $40. That would show up in here. If the property is auto pay has already gone through on the 15th, you would see a pending transaction of that same amount here of the auto pay until we've posted the auto pay. At the very bottom here, statement of authenticity. This information just tells everybody that this is not a tax certificate. This is merely a search, and it would be very easy to distinguish between the search and the certificate based on up here, but we wanted to ensure that everybody aware this was a search and a search only. If you want to print this out, all you would do is right click and click print, and you would print it out wherever you need to. Sometimes these pages do go over, this certificate goes over 2 pages. There's really not much we can do about it. We've asked the developers, but unfortunately there's not much we can do. And that is